What if I told you Claude can build you a full working website in under 2 minutes? No coding skills needed, just one prompt. Let me show you exactly how. Here's the prompt I'm using. Build me a modern landing page for a coffee shop called Brewing Co. with a hero section, menu, and contact form. And just like that, Claude starts writing. Full HTML structure, CSS styling, JavaScript, everything. Watch how fast this goes. No waiting, no errors, no Stack Overflow. Just clean, working code in seconds. Now let's open this in the browser. And there it is. A fully working website. Homepage, check. About section, check. Contact form, check. This took Claude only 2 minutes to write. I didn't touch a single line of code. That's the power of Claude. A full, professional website, built in 2 minutes, completely free, zero coding skills needed. If you want to see more Claude tips and AI tricks, like this video and subscribe. See you in the next one.